Make a great choice today with the 2023 Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size, the whole world round. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, power windows, power steering. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.